Okey doktor, sekarang kita start next video pula. Saya akan kongsikan macam mana nak gunakan the decision sheets dan kita gunakan kekuatan personal assistant kita juga, AI, ChatGPT, untuk kita nak percepatkan the process. Tapi kita nak faham juga macam mana nak guna the fundamental. So the foundation tu penting lah, so that kita ada that vision, that mindset in our head that apa-apa pun kita kena kukuhkan the foundation juga. Jadi lain kali kalau kita nak buat visi and misi, tak ada ChatGPT, kita tahu macam mana nak buat. Questions to ask, macam mana format dia lebih kurang. Kita ada that circle, current reality, future reality, and where we want to bring our organisation lah into the future. Jadi in this particular article, masukkan dalam ChatGPT untuk kita extract the context, dan saya akan translate in PM jugalah. So the meaning of life in the business. Entrepreneurs are busy people, doctors are busy people. So sometimes we are too busy and we completely forget why we actually started the business in the first place. Sebab tu kita jumpa juga ramai rakan-rakan doktor kita ataupun usahawan lain, business owner dalam business lain, industri lain, yang bila dia lupa the intention, the purpose, the vision why they started the business in the first place, dia dah rasa hilang that passion, dia dah rasa penat, dia dah rasa frustrated, dan tak ada benda yang nak drive diri kita untuk kita nak make changes, make improvement, innovate. Jadi that's why vision tu is very important lah. So it's a real shame, as passion we have for our business is one of our greatest asset. So kita nak rediscover balik our meaning in the life of a business lah. Kat sini I like this particular phrase ni. There's simply not enough passion and attraction in running a business for profit alone. So that's the basic target. Selalu kita jumpa orang tanya kenapa you start business, nak buat duit. Jadi itu saja tak cukup untuk become a strong force untuk kita nak bangunkan kita punya business. Apa lagi dalam visi kita untuk bangunkan BTLO. So it needs to be something bigger than ourselves. A mission to create impact. A vision that is bigger than ourselves. So kat sini juga dia ada talk about mission pyramid kat bawah ni. So kat sini ada some business ideas in terms of growth. Apa aspect of growth yang kita nak tengok. So kat sini ada bagi example lah. So contohnya volume growth. So what's the scenario? When the business focuses on profit growth through short-term turnover as a great variety and larger amounts of deliverables for customers and increased staff. So kalau kita nak volume with higher profits or higher turnover, kita juga kena increase our customers and also our staff lah, our team. So kat sini apa challenges dia? Challenges dia is organizing and leading sales process, developing production capacity, recruiting new employees, bring on board more talent. Jadi kat sini dia dah bagi example apa jenis growth yang kita nak tengok and what are some of the challenges. So kalau kita tengok in terms of quality, for example, so when the business focuses on investing long-term quality development that can establish a strong market position and income growth. So apa yang kita perlu buat atau apakah the challenges? Acquiring skills and knowledge through recruitment and education. Antara aspek yang kita minta our growth partners develop together with us is quality lah. Kita bukan nak buat business biasa-biasa, kita nak business yang ada quality, yang ada impact, yang kita bagi a good experience kepada kita punya patient. Exquisite customer experience. So dia bukan sekadar proses, dia juga kena datang daripada fundamental lah, which is our lay foundation, love, energy and happy. So establishing processes, one of it, financing research and development, and also this one, acquiring skills and knowledge. So mungkin kita perlu ambil team member yang lebih mahir daripada kita, dan kita juga kena continue to learn and improve our education in terms of both areas lah, personal development and also business development. Business development saja tak cukup, kena ada juga personal development. So when we understand all this growth area, remember GPS, growth, progress and success. Progress is when we add the values, add the values to the growth. So growth plus these values, plus progress equals success. Success is when we, through building our organization, through building our practice, can also impact our local community, and also as we collaborate more, we can impact bigger community size and also our nation lah, insyaAllah. So kat sini juga dia ada cerita pasal the mission pyramid. So the mission pyramid ni is where we align the personal vision, the company mission and also the world atau kita punya longer view lah, kita punya vision. So kita dengan staff kita pun ada personal mission kita. That's why it's also important for us to introduce this concept of VNV. Bukan kata bila dia fokus kepada business punya vision and mission, dia tak ada dah lagi fokus kepada dia punya personal. So ada juga, so the mission, company punya mission must also be aligned with team punya vision. Maybe dia tak adalah selari 100% kan, tapi in terms of our team members, kita juga kena bagi ruang belajar untuk dia orang faham apa yang kita tengah buat. Kalau kita belajar, selalu saya tengoklah founders, kalau pergi program and all that, dia orang je yang pergi. Anak-anak buah team members tak pernah pun pergi. Jadi tak cukup kita sendiri yang ada ilmu atau improve our personal development and business development, our growth, but also we need to send our team. That's why kita kat Mafa kita buat together, because our vision is also for doctors and our people. So we are very clear that the empowerment, the personal development is both for our clients as well as our people. So kat sini ada some good examples, so you boleh baca nanti. So ini for example lah, masa Steve Jobs nak bawa masuk PepsiCo punya director, so dia tanya sini, do you want to spend your life selling sugar water to kids or do you want to change the world? So kita tengok company-company yang besar, company-company yang a little different, dia ada very strong vision and mission. So this is something that we can add. Jadi proses dia sama juga. This article, kita akan masukkan this article. Okay, so saya akan bagi example, saya akan extractkan dekat bawah this video, dan doktor boleh buat sendirilah. Follow je the same format. Masukkan this article into ChatGPT. Saya punya version yang berbayar, saya tak sure sekarang version yang free dah boleh masuk dokumen ke tak. Tapi I think as a business owner, this is a tool yang makin hari kita tengok makin improve. Jadi I think it's also a good investment if we have some of these tools dalam kita punya arsenal lah, dalam kita punya war chest. So kemudian kita akan bila dah extract, kita tengok make sure the BM translation tu is correct. Kemudian kita akan masukkan the mission. So kat sini doktor boleh bagi the specific punya example. So dalam ChatGPT saya dah masukkan yang specific punya example lah. Kejap saya tunjuk. Kemudian kita masukkan juga the vision punya. Buat satu-satu lah. Masukkan mission punya dulu. Kemudian masukkan vision punya. So daripada situ kita boleh play around, ask questions and interact dengan kita punya personal assistant supaya kita dapat rangka visi dan misi yang terbaik, at least for now. To start off, don't worry about perfection. Think about progression.